can be very hard, just for the track. Porsche built a V8 powered manual transmission 4-seat sports car years ago, right? You all know this, right?
You're trying to get him into a 928?
No,
really?
I'm not.
Okay.
All I'm saying is I'm pointing out the new AMG GT is the new reincarnation of the 928.
No manual, but very much the same
And
idea.
most
You're
928s
so
were automatics.
You're so right.
The company across town from Porsche built the new 928. They kind of usurped.
That's a good point.
I do want one, although I hear they're heavy and wicked quick, but too heavy. I mean, just the stats just say they're too heavy. Consider the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio because it's an amazing car to drive and it's unique. It's different, and I do think it would feed into that part of you. And yes, you can take it. We have seen quads at Hooked on Driving track days.
Yeah, we have. Yep.
They exist. People do track them.